Hey, what is up, guys? It's Rafael here, your seven-figure e-commerce coach, coming at you from Krakow, Poland. Here, I'm traveling around Europe for the next, 4 months. So it's gonna be nice just showing you guys the amazing places that you can visit. So anyway, the topic of today's video is why you don't need to be motivated and why motivation itself is pretty much BS when it comes to starting a business. So I got this idea for this video because I had a student today in my mentoring program. I mentor students one-on-one on one-on-one calls, and we get on calls every single week. So this student in particular, he knows what to do, right? He knows how to build the business. I teach him exactly what he needs, but he's still not starting. He still doesn't want to start. The lighting is really bad. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so he still doesn't want to start, even though he has the right tools and the right strategies and the right processes that I teach him in my program. And he was asking me basically, how do I get the motivation to start? How do I build motivation in order to start? And I was like, motivation, it comes in ways of inspiration. You get inspired one day, you watch a video, you watch a motivational video, and then you can be super inspired and be like, okay, now I'm gonna do it. But you can't wait for that. People that wait to be motivated, people that wait to be inspired, they never really achieve something, massive, because they're always waiting for that next shot of motivation. And if you're always waiting for that next shot of motivation, you're pretty much gonna get to a point, and then it's all gonna come back down. Because you're not, let's say you start your business, and then you get to the 1K a month level, and you're motivated, and you get to that 1K a month level, you'll stagnate there. You're gonna stay at 1K a month all the time, just because you're not motivated to do more. Or if it gets hard, you're gonna go from 1K back to 0, because you're not motivated, right? And motivation is it's a trap. It's really a trap. People get motivated, and they do great things, but when they get demotivated, everything falls. So what's the solution, right? If you're not motivated, if you don't have any energy, what's the solution to that? What is the thing that you need to do to get motivated, right? And that's discipline. So discipline works pretty much the opposite of motivation, where it always stays with you. So discipline is essentially a practice of doing the work no matter your emotions, no matter your feelings, no matter how sick you are that day, no matter how bad things go. It's a relentless pursuit and relentless work towards a goal. It's not motivation, it's discipline, right? It's you're not getting motivated to do something, you're disciplined to do something. And this is what I teach in my mentoring program in the mindset section, is that you can't really wait to be motivated, you can't wait to be inspired to build a business, you can't wait to be inspired to get to 100K a month. Some of my students are making $1 million a year. They're not motivated to do that. They just have a clear goal. The clear goal is I want to make $1 million a year. Right? That's a goal. That's the dream, the goal. And now I'm not motivated to do that, but I know I want that, right? I want to travel the world. I want to enjoy life. I want to spend a lot of money on cool stuff, but I'm not motivated to do that. And it's hard to stay, well, it's hard to get motivated, first of all, and it's hard to stay motivated to do that. So my camera ran out of battery, so I'm using my phone. But that's the point that I want to get across here, is that you can't really wait to be inspired, you can't wait to be motivated to do something. You have to figure out, what is your goal? What thing do you want to achieve? What is your, what business do you want to start? What places you want to travel? What is your goal? What's your ambition? What do you want to create? What's your vision? That's where it starts, right? You start out with where do you want to be? What do I want to be in life? This is where I want to be, right? This is the level where I want to be. I'm down here right now. How do I get to that? How do I get from here to here? I can't wait to be motivated. Waiting to be motivated, you're gonna wait here for years and years and years. That's why people never quit their 9-to-5s. That's why people never achieve anything amazing. It's because they stay here in that level, and they're waiting to be motivated. They're waiting for that little person to tell them that they can do it and then get there. But that almost never happens. That happens to the 1% of people that they're oh wow, I should do this, and then they're motivated and they do it. But you can't wait for that. You have to stack the odds in your favor, right? You have to in business and life and everything, you have to stack the odds in your favor and kind of like help yourself as much. I'm tripping on words. Help yourself as much as you can. So the solution to that is, like I just talked about, discipline. So you start with that goal. Let's say you want to be there, right? That's the end goal, where you want to be. You want to be traveling the world, making 10 grand a month with e-commerce. That's the goal. Now, how do I get from here to here without getting motivated? There's steps towards that, right? So you first have to learn the processes and the actions that are required to get to that point. So let's say those steps are like, for e-commerce, you start your e-commerce shop, first of all. Second, you choose products to sell. So finding winning products, choosing products to sell, right? That's the second tier there. Third tier is creating, converting ads to sell your products through Facebook and Instagram and Google and everything. So you have 3 stacks, right? You have starting a shop, let's say you do that. Finding winning products, you do that. You create ads that convert, you do that. And then you scale. So you have 4 steps, you know what to do. And if you're in my program or if you watch my videos, you know exactly what to do. Let's say you know what to do now. Now, you're not motivated to do any of those, but you know you want that. So, discipline. Stick to those things and just do the work every single day. When you wake up in the morning, think of what you want to achieve, which is the traveling the world, making 10 grand a month, whatever your dream is. That's your goal. That's your ambition. That's your, like, what you want to achieve. Work every day. Put in the work. Don't wait to be motivated. Don't wait to be inspired. Don't wait to watch a Tony Robbins video. Don't wait to watch a Gary Vee video. Do the work. Stay disciplined. And you can track all of that. In my other mindset videos, I teach you how to track, like, things that you do, mindset work, basically improving your life. I teach you how to track that. So you know the 4 things that you need to do now. Like, that's how you start your shop, right? Now it's like finding products, creating ads, and then scaling. Those are 3 things you need to do. Put in the work every single day. Find 1 new product every day. Create 1 new ad every day. Find a competitor's ad. Find a competitor's ad every single day. Go on Google, do a search for new ads. Go on Facebook, do a search for a new Facebook watch page, like I talked about in my last video, how to find products. Like, you have all the tools. You have all the processes. You have all the strategies. Everybody's sharing them for free. You don't even need to buy, like, a course to know what to do. If you want to learn how to get winning products, watch the previous video. If you want to learn how to create ads, watch my Facebook ads video. If you want to learn how to scale, watch my 100K a month video. So there's, like, things you need to do, and you know how to do them. Like, you're watching videos, you're learning, you're buying courses, whatever it is, you're learning how to do all those things. Now, the only solution to that, the only thing you have to do now is just stick to it and do the work. Don't wait to be motivated. Like, if you're waiting to be motivated, let this video be the motivation. Like, let this awesome, the quality of my phone is disgusting, but my camera ran out of battery. So, yeah. But anyway, let this be your motivation. If you're looking for that motivation, like, let this video be it. I want to make some other videos, but, like, don't wait to be motivated. Don't wait to be inspired, because you're going to stay in that level all your entire life waiting to be inspired. Like, that's why literally, like, nobody is successful, like, almost nobody is successful, because they stay in that level, and they think, oh, maybe one day I'm going to watch a video that's going to make me so motivated, I'm going to start a business and then travel the world. And they stay there all their lives. They're like, I'm waiting to be inspired. And this student was literally like that. Like, he was asking, hey, I mean, I'm not, like, trying to bash him or anything. Like, he's a great guy. He's a hardworking guy. He has a 9-to-5 job, really good professional guy. But he's at that level of, like, I need to be motivated to, like, find my first product. Or I need to be motivated to, like, start my business. Like, he was waiting for that motivation. Like, I need to be motivated to do this, and I'm not motivated yet. That's why I haven't done it yet. And, like, you can't wait to be motivated. You have to be disciplined. Figure out what you want. Figure out the steps to get there. Figure out the things you need to do every day, and just put in the work. It's simple. It's like, I don't get why people don't stick to their, like, things they want to do. If you really want something, if you really want that, if you want to travel the world, own a business, have a team of people, like what I have, or if you want to start a YouTube channel, whatever it is, like, figure out what you want, figure out the steps to get there, and put in the work every single day to get there. There's no inspiration, there's no motivation, there's no Gary Vee video that's going to inspire you to start. Just figure out the process. Like, let's say you want to start a YouTube channel. What are the things you need to do to start a YouTube channel? You need to, like, you can do it on your phone. You don't need this camera. You pick a topic for a video. You do the video. You upload the video, rinse and repeat. And then you see how your people react to it. You pick a topic, create a video, upload the video. That's it. 3 things, you just gotta stick to them. Like, it's very hard to stick to stuff. It's very hard to stay disciplined. It's very hard to, like, do the work necessary. Like, I wanted to get to 100K a month, and I was like, I know what I need to do to get there. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's processes and skills that I need to develop. And I was like, I'm not inspired to make 100 grand a month. I'm disciplined, and I work every single day to make 100 grand a month. And I want to make $1 million a month, and that's my next goal. It's not magic. I'm not gonna get inspired to make $1 million a month. I'm not gonna meet someone that's gonna inspire me to make $1 million a month. It's processes, it's skills that I need to perfect. I need to, you know, like, learn how to scale to $1 million a month without crashing everything down. And that's what you gotta realize. You have to realize that there's no motivation, there's no book you're gonna read, there is no video you're gonna watch that is going to take you from where you are now to where you wanna be. The only thing that's gonna take you is a process, a clearly defined goal, clear defined vision, and then just doing the work. Just put in the discipline and putting the work and get there. And you'll get there. That's it for today. My camera, as I said, ran out of battery, so the quality isn't amazing, but welcome to Krakow, Poland. I'm gonna leave Krakow today, and I'm going to Budapest, Hungary. And then after Budapest, I'm coming back here for a month to, like, really focus on business and work it. Wow, the quality is so bad on this phone. So I'm really gonna focus on business here in Krakow. If you like this video, like it down below, subscribe to this channel. I talk a lot about mindset. I talk a lot about, obviously, building a business, finding winning products, creating ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever it is. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one call with me, one-on-one on how to build your own business, how to get motivated, or how to build your own, like, discipline and, like, the exact things you need to do to build a successful online business, you can schedule that call in the first thing in the description. And you can check a training down below as well on how I built my entire multi-million-dollar, 7-figure e-commerce business. It's also in the description. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. And as I said, don't wait to be motivated. And if you're waiting to be motivated, let this video be the motivation that you don't need motivation. Yeah, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.